Earning money from online is not a joke. Yes, it's not a joke. It takes time. So today in this video you will find 6 legit ways from which you can earn real money from online. And let's start the video with this sweet intro. Here, the first way to make money online is social media influencer. Yes, anyone who has a mobile phone and internet connection can literally earn money by being a influencer, and I will show you how. The first thing you have to do is create Facebook groups, Facebook page, Instagram page, Twitter page, or anything on social media. And after that you have to upload regularly quality content on those groups or pages and gain some active followers. And here is the pro tip: it is actually better to select a particular niche like fitness and then share content related to fitness. And here the next step is, as long as you upload the quality content, people will actually follow you because they like your content. And here you can make money by literally sharing relatable products to your audience or followers. And you can also earn from affiliate marketing and brand deals. I will be talking more about affiliate marketing later in this video, and that way you can earn by being a social media influencer. So here number 2 is YouTube. So here the trick is simple: you make videos of your interest that people want to watch, and simply you make money. So in YouTube you have to upload consistently quality videos, and after you complete that 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours of time, then you are eligible for YouTube partner program, and now you can earn from Google AdSense. But it's not the end. You can still earn from affiliate marketing, brand deals, sponsorship, merchandise, online courses, and literally many more. So there is a huge opportunity in YouTube. Number 3 is freelancing. So if you have any skill like drawing, designing, developing a website, programming skills, then people will pay you for your work. What you have to do is just go and sign up to the freelancing websites like Fiverr.com, freelancing.com, upwork.com, and many more, and then create a strong portfolio there. And after that people will reach out to you and you can work for them and make money online. Number 4 is here creating a website. Okay, if you have a programming skills, then you can literally create any type of websites like calculator websites, graphic website, or any other kind of website. But if you have not learned programming skills, then you can use WordPress to create a blog website and earn money from it by showing ads through Google AdSense and doing affiliate marketing, brand deals, sponsorships, and many more. Number 5 is here build an app. So here you have to learn the programming skill like Java, Kotlin, Swift, Python, and many more languages to create an app. And after you create an app, you pay $25 or something to Play Store and make your app available at Play Store and App Store. And when people download that app, you can add in purchases and earn from that, or you can show ads to people and you earn money. So the last one is here affiliate marketing, and let's understand this in this simple way. Suppose company A makes a product and that company wants to sell it, and most of the companies nowadays provide affiliate links for affiliates. So you can just go there and sign up and get a unique link for you, and you share that link, and when someone clicks to your link and purchase a certain product from that company, then you will get commission every single time. So this is affiliate marketing, and you can do this with YouTube, website, or being a social media influencer, and you can also do this with your app. So this much guys for today. If you haven't liked this video, then please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and until then, enjoy.